and I would appreciate it if you wouldn't be making argument to the jury.
Sorry, I thought you would ask me about it.
No, I didn't ask you about anything.
Johnny Depp's attorney, Camille Vasquez, has claimed that he only decided to appeal the outcome of his defamation case because his ex-wife Amber Heard did it first. Thanks to the bad advice from Amber's lead attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, Camille opened up about the ongoing legal saga in a sit-down interview with CBS This Morning's Gayle King on Thursday morning, July 28th, 1 week after the former spouses both filed motions to appeal against their multi-million-dollar defamation awards. So how will this final legal dance conclude? Let's find out. The gorgeous Camille, a firebrand attorney who shot to fame and gained a bizarre fan following through her involvement in the case, told Gayle King that the Pirates of the Caribbean star would have moved on from the case if the Aquaman star didn't insist on continuing to litigate the matter. It's safe to say if she hadn't appealed, y'all would not have appealed either? You would have moved on? Asked King. Yes, Camille responded, adding that is a very fair statement. Elaine will take the fall if things go south this time around, with reports indicating that Amber was already considering accepting the appeal in exchange for Depp waiving the about $10 million fine, but her lawyer insisted they proceed with the appeal notice. Responding to Elaine's reckless action, Camille said that Amber's move to appeal,
"The verdict is overwhelmingly positive for Johnny, and it was unanimous. There were 7 people that decided."
Didn't come as a surprise to Depp's legal team. It was expected, she said. I mean, she's indicated since the day she lost the trial that she was going to appeal. According to the newly promoted law firm partner, Depp's legal team had planned its own strategy for when the Aquaman actor filed an appeal and so responded by filing his own appeal less than 24 hours later. She insists on continuing to litigate this matter, said Camille. "We have to protect our client's interests." King went on to question Camille about previous comments made by Depp and his legal team, where they insisted that the case was never about money and that he wanted both sides to heal and move on. "How do heal and move on when both sides are still in court arguing?" she asked. Camille responded that it's the pretty standard legal procedure, saying, "We're hopeful that the court will uphold the verdict, which we think was the right verdict, and allow both parties to move on." Depp filed his notice of appeal seeking to overturn the single count of defamation that Amber won at their bombshell trial last month. His filing came 1 day after the Justice League star filed her own appeal. The 59-year-old Pirates of the Caribbean actor is hoping that the appeal will nullify the $2 million award the jury handed to his ex-wife over her claims that Depp's lawyer made false and damaging comments about her. Depp, of course, came up victorious last month when a Fairfax County jury found that Amber defamed him in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed piece on becoming a victim of domestic abuse. Immediately after the verdict was communicated to both parties, Elaine moved across different media houses, announcing that they would appeal, and she lived true to her threat. When Today Show's co-host Savannah Guthrie asked whether or not the Aquaman actress plans to appeal her loss, Elaine said, "Absolutely, and she has some excellent grounds for it." Explaining that there were a number of evidentiary issues, the attorney said, "There was so much evidence that did not come in. We even had tried to get the UK judgment in to dismiss his case because Depp already had his shot," she added. "But now it seems that decision was not the best at the moment. How this race will end can only be told by the hands of the clock. Time will tell." And that's it from this video. Until next time, bye!